So right now your first house lord and your fourth house lord is moving in your third house, so we can expect you may have to deal with lot of communication related problem, because third house deal with communication and third house lord is also moving in third house. And Mercury, your fourth house lord, house of emotions, house of properties and house of home related matter, is moving in third house 12 places away from itself. And your ascendant lord is also moving in your third house, so your ascendant lord will be in retrograde motion and will be in combust position. So we can expect you may have to deal with a lot of difficulties, and you may have to put a lot of efforts at your workplace, and in anything you are doing right now you may have to face difficulties and argument with your relationships as well, because as we discussed previously, third house deal with communication, and right now Jupiter and Rahu from 11th house aspecting your third house, and 11th house deal with your friend circle, your network circle, and also Jupiter aspecting from 11th house